When you were finally finished with your body recomp, did you find yourself trying on or buying clothes you never thought you would before?
Totally. And you know, there is no such thing as like finished, because I feel like I'm still not finished.
No.
Like, when are you ever finished?
No.
Like, there's always things you can improve about your body, whether it's your flexibility or your strength, or it's not always aesthetic.
Yeah.
But I would say when I got to a point where I was really like, damn, I look good, you know, aesthetically, then I definitely went shopping and started being more like wearing tighter things, like being a little more like show-offy with my body than I would before. Because before I was always really concerned about my cellulite, concerned about my belly roll. So I would wear like looser, more like hiding my body type of clothes. And then once I started looking better, I felt more confident in tank tops or tube tops or short shorts. So I got sluttier, I guess.
Hey.
But I was in my early 20s. I was okay. Now I'm a mom, so I'm back to the big clothes.
I always got the question from guys, it's like, where do you buy your t-shirts from? Because like your arms are always snug with the t-shirts.
Right here.
And I'm like, it's not the t-shirts, guys. It's like having biceps. It's like you want t-shirts that fit you. Build up your arms and your shoulders and your triceps. It's not just your biceps.
Special t-shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what's the other thing too? Jeans fit differently. Like when I started lifting and squatting and, you know, doing all leg exercises, like my legs transformed to where then my pants would be too loose at the top. Like I would always have this extra space in the back of the waistband. So I started having to wear belts, which I never did before.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.